Yeah, if you want to use Wi-Fi for your laptop and you want to have a high quality connection, or it's just in general, like if you're visiting a country, say like you're visiting Germany or something, and you want to kind of see the free Wi-Fi around certain areas, you might want to book a hotel where there's a lot more like restaurants, etc. So like maybe like here,
it just get the data.
We actually aggregate from a bunch of data sets, and now we're starting to do partnerships with companies that provide free Wi-Fi, and we're going to add them in. And also there's a sign up page for an app which will also start crowdsourcing data from. So basically we're just getting them from anywhere and just adding them to the map.
Now you have a lot of data already.
Yeah, and that's actually like that's maybe like 5% of the free Wi-Fi. Oh, sorry. That's only 5% of the free Wi-Fi.
Only 5%
of the free Wi-Fi in the world.
Where do you get this?
I mean,
existing data.
Just from data sets on the internet.
They are available?
Yeah.
Can download it like anyone?
Yep.
They're different, like many of them, many sources, or just
you just gotta go. Oh, where on McDonald's? Where are the free Wi-Fi?
And on they give you the file, or
so also like yeah, we it took a long time to get all of it, but like over time we did build this.
How long? Months?
Like 3 weeks it took for me just to find lots of that. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Check whether the similar apps exist, because I remember
for sure.
them.
For sure, like
let's search.
I know there's like InstaBridge. I know there's just free Wi-Fi maps like this.
Yeah, for example. So
like Google Play Store.
What do you think about them?
I mean, they're nice, but you can't see the whole world.
Here you can't.
Yeah.
Look at the map. You can make it smaller. You will see the.
But maybe they're not available in like Hungary or like Israel.
Oh, it's like local only, you think?
Or the data might be local, or just in general, the app is not available in that country. But my site is available in any country in the world. So, and it's only been a week, so we don't know what is in the future, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So I'm sure there's a lot of free Wi-Fi maps. I'm not surprised,
Yeah. Because I've heard about it like 3 years ago. People are telling you download this and you will find the password, not just free Wi-Fi, but the password. So you can see the network, you connect, and then they give you the password.
I think maybe the difference is we have a viral way to go about it, where people put their email in and they want to move up the list to get access to our. So when I showed you this before, if I reload, you have to put in your email and share it to get the app. Right? To get the app, you have to share.
So you have a list of people.
Yeah.
All right. So
it's like Robinhood.
Waiting for the app now.
Yeah. So we have 1,300 people waiting for the app.
Yeah, I got it.
And if usually 100 or 200 people see it, one of them puts their email in and shares it. Okay. With these free Wi-Fi maps, you can't share it. You download it and that's it.
Yeah, that's cool. That's definitely. I see your success. That's for sure. I'm not doubting it. I'm thinking what's gonna happen because the success is now. We don't know what's going to happen in a week. It could go down and you will stay at like 100 people a day. So my question is whether you have enough potential to fight with the competitors who definitely exist. That's my question.
At this point, you can't. I don't think I should focus on competition 1 week into a product, right? I think I should spend time making the product better, so that 2 months, 3 months, we can start worrying about scaling. But right now, it's all about getting those translations. Making the UI better, making it faster, adding servers locally. Like that, we can't worry. I don't want to worry right now about, what happens with our competitors, because right now, I don't think our competitors grew this fast in 1 week, right? We launched 1 week ago. So I want to focus on it later, not now, and figure out the business as it goes, because it's been way too fast the last week. And I think
it's a spike. It's definitely a spike.
Yeah,
it's not going to stay that rate.
But
it'll stay like that.
Even like right now.
Decrease, definitely.
Of course, but this is like this. Okay, it's nighttime, but like people are sharing it, and if it just always one person at least shares it every hour, there's always going to be traffic. And now we have 1,300 emails that we can send out to updates to.
Okay. So what's your business strategy? I mean, the money, how you think, how much it's going to cost in a year?
Yeah.
What's the big plan?
So I'm going to make sure that the map itself will never cost more than $5,000 a month, and probably, if we have like partnerships with them, it should be reasonable cost. In terms of like business, like for example, Uber in India, their cars have free Wi-Fi. If we partner with Uber and show real-time dots moving of their cars.
My opinion about the map is it's a nice pet project, it's a nice side project, but it's 1,000 lines of code.
Yeah.
And the traction you have right now, I cannot guarantee, but in a few days you will see it will go down.
Yeah.
The way it went up, the way it will go down.
Yes, for sure.
Some traffic will stay definitely. You will have like maybe 100, maybe 1,000 people a day, but that's not what you have right now. It's 40,000 a day, which you have on the graph. So, which is cool, but this one doesn't cost $1 million.
Of course.
This particular project. We invest with the valuation approximately $1 million. So for me, this one doesn't look like a project which costs $1 million. It costs maybe 50 grand. That's true.
Yeah.
But to give you, I can give you, I don't know, $200 or $500.
Yeah.
That's not what you're looking for. So I'm asking you now, tell me more about the company which is around this.
Yeah.
Because it looks like there is something more than this.
Yeah.
This is like just one thing, just one software element of a company.
Yeah, I mean,
it costs more. So tell me about the company.
I mean, it's we've been trying to just get our app on people's phones and then build value later. So once
so it's gonna be the app which will be used for different things, not just one thing.
Yes.
Okay. So
we
what
basically
the app will be doing?
It will basically be, we want to create an operating system, but we need one function first on everyone's phones.
Okay.
And then add more and more functionality. The first functionality will be a free Wi-Fi map.
Okay. What's going to be other functionality? Other features?
Being able to connect to a food truck's owner's phone, and then we don't want to kind of dream too much, but like making this work, and if it dies, then try to make something else that people want, and we're just right now.
You should have been telling me the opposite way. So instead of this map and showing the map, show me the company, show me the strategy, and then say, you know what? Just to prove that we can do something, look at this path which we just did, which got the much traffic.
Yeah.
So it's the opposite.
I wanted to start with this because this is the one that was number one on Product Hunt.
Yeah, that's for sure. That's impressive. I understand the numbers. That's huge. That's amount of traffic is enormous.
Yeah.
But business value is quite small. So let's get back to the business value.
Yeah.
Which in your understanding. So tell me about this truck thing and this Wi-Fi truck. What is it?
So right now we actually we're working with.
You're gonna sell it to give me
a food truck.
Give me the user story. How do you use it?
So I was like, okay.
Oh, it was just like a side project. Okay, let's do something else.
So the company itself was just a side project like 6 months ago. Just me and my co-founder.
This company?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was a side project.
Yeah, we were at school, we were working, and it was like, hey, just make some simple app where you can share Wi-Fi. And then Boost VC, Adam Draper and Braden from Boost VC said, okay, this team sounds smart, give them like $20,000, and I took it, dropped out of university and tried to make something, right? So. And
you built this, and then you decided, okay.
No one wanted it, so
this one doesn't work immediately. So let's build something else, right?
So the next thing I built was trucks. Okay. So trying to get businesses signing up, and then partnering with Bacon San Francisco, which we already have. I visited them on Wednesday, and now the map. Which is the third thing we built.
Okay.
And we're going to spend some time making this.
So the company already has an investor.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Which is the incubator,
Boost VC.
Okay.
Yeah.
And they're planning to give you more, or that's.
They do have a continuity. They're raising money right now, so that in the future they can reinvest in Boost VC companies. Okay. But the network at Boost VC is very strong. There are a lot of investors, but Boost VC says you have to be kind of a cockroach, right? You can't spend money really fast. You have to, they mostly focus on virtual reality and Bitcoin companies, so you have to wait 5-10 years and burn very little capital, right? And I maybe only used 5 of the 20K he gave me, but I want to create more financial stability for my company so that when I bring, full-time people in, I don't want to have a Titanic, right?